Hi guys, Mr. Lawton here. We're looking at lesson 13, homework in the front. We are now putting fractions on a number line in values greater than 1. So if we look at 3 halves, we know that 3 halves, well, I can get 1 whole out of that and still have half another whole, right? Because my whole would be 2 pieces and there's 3 already there. So I have 1 whole and 1 half. Or 1 would be 2 halves, so this would be 3 halves. 9/5. So I'm going to need to break this now into fifths, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I now have fifths. And I'll start at 5/5, 6/5, 7/5, 8/5, 9/5, and we know that 10/5 would be 2 wholes. So now I'm looking at 14/10. Okay? Well, if I have fifths, then in order to make tenths, well, 10 is 5 times 2. So I can break this up into tenths by splitting this now in half. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I have tenths. Oh, I'm sorry, I missed an extra one there. So, 14/10. This would be 10/10 as a whole. So, 11/10, 12/10, 13/10, 14/10. We'll go right about here. I hope that makes sense. We will go over this again tomorrow. Really, what you're doing is you're looking at starting at 1 and then counting up from here. So figure out how many above 1 each of these. This is 1/2 above 1, this is 4/5 above 1, and this is 4/10 above 1. Okay, now down here, this is pretty easy. We're looking at number 2, 1 and 1/6. Well, 1 and 4/12. I'm going to take 4/12. I'm going to simplify that, divide them each by 4, and I have 1/3. 1 and 1/6 or 1 and 1/3? Well, we know that a third is a bigger piece than a sixth. And over here, 1 and 1/2 or 1 and 4/5. Well, we know that 4/5 is up over here on our number line, and 1/2 is over here, so this one is obviously going to be bigger. All right, good luck on 3 and 4. I'm going to have you guys try that on your own, and we'll see how we do. Thanks, guys.